What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I do have a playlist of solar fountains that I've owned. So many solar fountains I reviewed, you guys. So many. And some still working, some no longer working. Just to let y'all know, this stuff do have a lifespan. It works all day and all night, you guys. You can't expect this to last forever. Really caught my attention was they included the straws on this one. So they have the four straws that we usually use when we did our circular ones, but this one here is a squared one, and we're going to check it out. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so right here on our back we have our specs. All right, this is 2000 milliamp already. 2000 milliamp charging time. It says 5 to 10 hours in full sunlight without any I think they mean shading or shielding the solar panel, I guess. All right, lighting modes. It says on the top and then on the bottom, and then it says purple, auto, slow flash, and fast flash. So this probably do some good colors during the night. Spray time, auto work under direct sunlight during the day, and 3 to 4 hours spraying time at night. When I was doing my reviews on this before, this says up to 6 to 12 inches of height, but blah blah blah. When I was doing my reviews on these before, I had some solar fountains that last all the way till like 2 or 3 in the morning or something like that. I caught it in real time, so that was pretty cool. So let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. They have like little disco ball things on this. I did not expect that. Is that the bottom? Okay, that's the bottom. What the heck? It has these cool little disco balls. It has this white motor. I have never seen a white motor before. This is groundbreaking right here. This is something different. Now, nozzles, I think you just get one, because I don't think you could change this. I'll find that out later. All right. Oh man, companies stopped doing this. Why did they stop doing this? Look at how many filters they giving us. Man, when I was first reviewing fountains, they used to give you like a whole bag full of filters, but they've been slipping. We have rope here. Don't know what I need rope for, but we have rope. This is one of the main things that I really wanted. Let's go ahead and see if I'm doing this stuff right. So you have a slot here. You have a slot here. Slot, slot. All you do is put it in just like a puzzle. Oh, it's tight too. Oh, this is nice. So that means it won't slip out easy like the old ones. They should have thought about this a while ago. Oh, the pegs come out and extend. Oh, that's awesome. That might be a winner right there, you guys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is a game changer right here. All right, so we got that. What the heck? A magnet? What is this? A weight? Oh, it's a weight. Oh, I get it now. All right, so they have a weight on here as well, so you can keep this thing put. They have a arrow right here where you could put the string through. You put the string through here, like so. Make you a knot, and then you could put the string through the middle part here. But I don't need to tie it down because I'm not in a lake or a pool or nothing. So we're in our regular pond, you guys. All right. So that's it. That's it, you guys. There's no nozzles, no changing nozzles, no nothing. All right. So that's all they give us. Simple as that. Let's go ahead and put it in the pond and check it out. I'm going to extend all 4 of these, which is pretty cool. This is awesome, you guys. Look at that. I can actually keep it in the middle. This is the best thing that they have ever created right here. Look at this. Oh, well, it's kind of leaning now. All right, there you go. Let's see. Come on, work. You got sunlight now. Maybe it needs time to charge. Let's give it a little bit, you guys. All right, so was I supposed to hit an off and on button? Let me see. Let me make sure I'm not tripping, you guys. No, I shouldn't have to. There's no on and off here. Let me thoroughly read the instructions. Oh, I can see lights. Oh no, that's the reflection of the daggone light. Submerged it, bring it back up. Anything? All right, let's give it some time in the sun. All right, so let's leave it out. We are going to leave it out for the couple of hours they said leave it out for, and then we'll be good with that. All right, you guys, I'm in the house right now, but it's working. It is working. I'm going to go out there when the sun go down, you guys, because it is scorching out there. All right, I'm in the house, and it's 100 degrees outside. All right, everyone, and here we go. I apologize, I don't have the mic in, but we're not here for sound quality. We're here for the look quality. All right, so you do have lights flashing on the bottom, and then you have your regular light right there, and it's changing colors by itself. There's no remotes, okay? So it changes colors by itself. And this is what time is it right now? This is like 8:30 right now. This is the final review. We here on the next morning, and everything went well. The light show was good. This is basically simple, you guys. No nozzle changing. Only thing you got to do is clean the filter and move on. My most favorite thing from this is the pegs, how you can expand them, especially in my little pond right here. It stays right in the middle, no issues. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.